Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video review into Huck's World. And yes, it's still the weekend. It's Saturday, people. I'm off for the next 5 days. I'm gonna enjoy it. But I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out by Corey Studios. This guy gets down. Do not sleep on this guy's work. And its product is always affordable in the Gear Manager store. I will leave the link in the description so you guys can go have a peek. Cool? With that being said, let's check out this watch face. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And yes, it's Saturday, people. I'm off for the next 5 days. I am gonna enjoy it. But also, I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out at Corey Studio. This guy, he gets down, do not sleep on his work, and he always makes his watch faces affordable in the Gear Manager store. I will be leaving a link in the description so you guys can go have a peek at his work. With that being said, let's kick this one off. All right, the name of the watch face is called KS130 Digital Watch Face. My man got down. It's geared toward fitness and casual wear. Now in AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's going to look nice. It's going to look different to a degree on the Gear S2, but other than that, it looks awesome in the AOD mode. Now once the watch face is on, I like the difference in the design. You get big bold digital time, you get all your step info, you get the day of the week up at the top, also with your date and your month, heart rate information, step information, goal completed, miles walked around, you're gonna get your calories burned and floors climbed, and you're gonna also get your battery percentage, and you can see the color theme going on right there. This is nice. For casual wear, not bad at all. All right, but let's go ahead. Let's take a closer look at this, right? So if I tap right here, I can customize the color theme of the numbers, which I thought was pretty cool. Now look up at the top, right? I didn't see that at first, but that says Chicago. Although I'm kind of on the border of the Chicagoland area, and you got your heart rate information over here. Make a phone call, you also got your weather, and you got your alarm clock. And it is interactive, so if you need to go in and make a phone call, just simply tap, and it will take you right in. Same thing with your weather. Let's take a look at that because the weather is always important to me. Same thing for your alarm. Let's tap right here because I know you want to go there. Check out your step status info. Of course, you can get your battery info as well. But if you need to go deeper into your miles walked around or your calories burned, just tap right here and it will bring it right up. Step info, floors climb, sleep, calories burned, water intake, coffee intake, things of that nature. Everything you need is right here in this watch face. Now, if you want to tap right here, you can set an event as well. And if I tap on the side right here, or double tap, I can change the color theme of the watch face. So my man did a really good job with this one. Again, this is one of many awesome watch faces that this guy has in his lineup. And as I told you before, I will be leaving the info in the description box down below. Make sure you check it out. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.